I'm at the Sullivan Hights Park, Bell Centre, BC, Surrey, Canada, and we have the mat wicket down. They've been screws have gone down. Tilbog, Belly. So this is where the stumps are going in. So hopefully, inshallah, there'll be a game on the mat tomorrow. The turf and grass wicket is not ready yet. There's some work to be done on it. A beautiful afternoon at the Sullivan Hights Park. A nice matting here. Final cutting being done. The screws have gone down, the glue, the mat was laid, glue went on first, then screws. Now there's cutting on the side. Raki is Newton Surrey lines, but also worked for the league, voluntary community worker.